Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see someone's followers on Instagram private account. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and use the search bar to find the private account you're looking for. When you open a private profile, you'll notice a few things. You can see the number of posts, the total number of followers, and the number of accounts they're following. However, if you tap on the followers or following section, you won't be able to view the actual list. That's because the account is set to private and Instagram restricts access to that information unless you're an approved follower. So, in order to see someone's followers on a private account, you have to follow these steps. First, go to their profile. Second, tap the follow button to send them a follow request. Then, wait for them to accept your request. Once they approve you as a follower, you'll be able to tap on their followers or following list and view the full details, just like with any public account. There isn't any official or legitimate way to see a private account's followers without them accepting your request. Be careful of third-party apps or websites that claim they can show private followers. They are often unsafe and can put your account at risk, and that's it. So that's basically how you can see someone's followers on Instagram private account. So that's all for this video.